Inhlangano ye-ANC iqalene nesitshijilo esikhulu njengoba ngenzeka ingakhona ukubanga inkhala zokuphatha kibo masipalata abama-35 ngamanye amawadi abalwako yiward 38 neward 40 eMamelodi kanti eSenturion iward 66 kunye neward 69 kunye nakezinye indawo.
We will be approaching the Electoral Court to reopen the process for at least one day for corrections and additions to be made. The challenges that we faced were caused by a combination of factors, many out of our control.
Ngakelinye ihlangothi nehlangano kabantu holomisa I-UDM iqalene naso soneso. Ihlangano le yakhange iqedelele ihlelo layo lokuthumela irhelo labongikhethani bayo. Njengomana ithi ihlelo lokuzihlolisa lethungilelo nohlanganiso libhajiwe. Lokho kwaqindelisa ukuthi bathumele ngokwefanelo. Ngo-2016 I-IFP yona yakhe yeqiwa sikhathi sokuthumela abongikhethani bayo kumasipalata weMzumbe nakezinye indawo zempumalanga. Nehlangano ye-NFP ke yabanjwa ngiso soneso phambilini. Ikhotho yezamakhetho ngaleso sikhathi yabhala ungezelela ngobutsha isikhathi sayo sehlelo lokuhlolisa abongikhethani. Njeke ezinye inhlangano zepolotiki zikhombela ikhotho ukuthi yenze njalo nehlanganweni ye-ANC kunye neye-UDM.
We as the EFF will reject that, and that's why we will be taking them to court, because all organizations had the same time to register candidates. We were ambushed. We were able to register our candidates within 7 days, and we did that successfully with no excuse. We didn't complain. We were not crybabies.
We strongly have the view that the Electoral Commission should oppose this application. We will carefully monitor whether that happens, and we will join in opposition.
The ANC has failed to meet the IEC deadlines, and therefore it must face the consequences. The ANC cannot be treated differently, or it might not be seen duplicating a special treatment from the IEC.
Estatementeni esikhutshwe yiCOPE sichochozela nezinye inhlangano ukuthi ziphikisane nesibawo seANC.